Making your first screencast with Screencast-O-Matic is simple and easy. First, download the program at www.screencastomatic.com. Once you've downloaded the program, you can easily open it up and choose the free version. There's no reason you need to pay extra for the pro version. You'll see on your screen then that a window appears. This window, you can adjust the size of it to be as big as the size of your entire computer screen, or you can limit it to just a small section of your screen depending on what you're doing. You'll see these buttons. These are your options here at the bottom. This red one records your audio and visual. So once you hit record, you'll get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then the program will automatically record your voice as well as anything that's happening on the screen. You'll see this picture is a microphone. You should see as you talk that a little green line will appear showing that it's hearing your voice and recording you. You'll want to do a little test run just to make sure. Once you're finished recording, you'll hit the done button. You can also pause it midstream and change screens, or take a breather, and that's fine. You actually, using the free version, you have 15 minutes worth of screen time per video, which is usually more than enough. So that's basically what your screen looks like as you're creating the screencast itself. Once you've finished with your screencast, you'll hit done, and Screencast-O-Matic will take you to this preview screen. Here you can watch your video by pushing play to check and make sure you like it. Then on the right hand side of your screen, you'll see you have different options as far as what you want to do with your recording that you've made. The most popular options are to publish your video to YouTube, where your students can access it via a link that you post to them, or publish to a video file, which would save the file usually as an MP4 file, and then you would email it to your students. I usually use YouTube when I'm making a video that is for the entire class, and I usually use video file when I have feedback that's specific to one student or a small group of students. If you choose to publish your video to YouTube, you'll get a screen that shows a title where you can name your title specific to what you want it to be called, so it will be easy to be found. You also can include a short description of what your screencast involves, and you can include any tags so that it will make it easier for your students to find it. You can also indicate the category. If you're doing something for a class, then it would typically be education, and you'll want to tag that. So again, this is all to make your videos easier to find. If you choose to save the video rather than publishing it to YouTube, you'll save it as an MP4 file. You can save it as a full-size file, and once you click Save Video, it will create a file that you can then download to your computer and save it and email it to your students. So hopefully this short video has shown you that screencasting can be really easy and helpful for a variety of different uses. I've used it for explaining difficult concepts in my online classes, for showing students how to access different kinds of information online using various websites, helping my students to navigate Blackboard, and providing feedback on papers and assignments. There are lots of different applications that can be used to promote screencasting. Screencast-O-Matic is just one of them, but I found that it's simple to use and free. Which are two things that I'm looking for when I'm trying to find an app that works for me in my classes. I hope it works for you too. If you have any questions, I hope that you'll contact me at dianemitschke@uta.edu.